swords unsheathed and hearts unafraid. They charged into the fray when destiny was laid. Culloden, the bloody field where warriors met their end. Their screams haunt the night. To the fallen we commend. To the carnage and the chaos, their bravery stood tall. In the face of British cannons, they answered the call. They answered the call. Steel, clashing in steel, as the battle roared on. Brothers fought brothers until the break of dawn. The bagpipes wailed mournful, a dirge for the slain. Yet the Highlanders pressed forward, their fury unchained. The bloody field where warriors met their end. Their screams haunt the night. To the fallen we commend. Through the carnage and the chaos, their bravery stood tall. In the face of British cannons, they answered the call. Through the carnage and the chaos, their bravery stood tall. In the face of British cannons, they answered the call. They answered the call. They answered the call. In the tempest howl, the spirit soared. Defiance in each Highland chord. Through shadows cast by fate's cruel hand, the legend echoes in our land. The bloody field where warriors met their end. Their screams haunt the night. To the fallen we commend. Through the carnage and the chaos, their bravery stood tall. In the face of British cannons, they answered the call. So let the bagpipes wail, a mournful melody, for those who fought at Culloden, for Scotland proud and free. Their memory lives on in each Highland glen, their courage etched in history, forever to defend.